Ain't you know making sure say tax now where you free one. On find another tax in to Ghana force. What you answer make a chrono?
Jonas apprentice Yondon abeseni strong warning to Mahama. Baako about the youths. Obey Canadian Mahama ewo ho. And the chatos asofo semwa on says excellency or part of sempa. Yes, we as of God as well Penyah no. Nyamesum de wona nezu nti ope asofo sem ne ho namfo nyina ye asofo. Eno mo no Yondon abeke Canadian part of his excellency John Mahama. This ope so Ghana ye ne sa asofo we dey. Asofo we mo. On show be a red card. I Penyah Block Media. Meso say ni dey mo. Oba like video na da over subscribe button and start click notification icon of latest update. Na be chere wa wen da ma me e comment section. Meso so ba so a. No she be money so enya bi ahwe. Jonas apprentice Yondon also enche bi anansem His Excellency John Mahama or signing bill na yes ye twa betting tax any e-levy mo.
This is the electronic transfer levy repeal bill. That's the famous e-levy bill. I'll proceed to sign it. Okay, I've just given assent to the repeal of the famous e-levy bill. Now this is the Income Tax Amendment Bill 2025 to remove withholding tax on winnings from lottery, betting, and games of chance. This is the famous betting tax repeal bill. And so I'll assent to it, 2nd April 2025. So betting tax is gone. Now this is the emissions tax repeal bill. So Emissions Levy Repeal Act 2025, emissions levy is gone. This is the earmark funds capping and realignment bill. This is the bill that caps the GET fund and National Health Insurance levy and moves those resources into the consolidated fund. We promise that we'll take the capping off, we'll uncap them. And so this bill uncaps the GET fund and the National Health Insurance levy. So the earmark funds capping and realignment amendment bill has been assented to. So it means GET Fund and NHIL will receive the full amount of their levies. Promises delivered.
Adoye no yono chese o Mahama wa ya ade e ma obebo na baso na baso bonu mu no e no kire se Mahama wa ya ade na mmom no create nyuma mo boys nya nyuma nya because betting tax we from there enyo bia ne twa bet 80 obi a won twa bet we betting telephone no nipa kon onya so faso bia boys egu mo ntro so komodi wo mo enti create nyuma na wo mo nya binye
yo for very real quick one. And then soon to America, son, and so my man had you meet me. I am a Ghana for yo. When you're real quick one, good and perfect time could and then soon to you can see soon to son America were done there, of course. I'm relaxing. I can't very quick one. TikTok for me tries that media there. I can't accident. Hey. What the fuck? Hey! Yes, by the way, you get into it. Me TikTok for me try say me the life be more TikTok, but I know I'm a broken. I'm going to me track him. Of course, it is what it is. But Mahama 11 now be trying na me bombo about so. Making sure say for another tax him me to Ghana for so. And I mean na me bin tina my cool man. Making sure say for another tax him to Ghana for so. Because Ghana for ne no e come with the other ye better that. Ain't you know making sure say tax na we free one. For another tax him to Ghana for so. Adia ye here biom eh adwuma. Emu akura kana mai Kevin ntra na ada unyije dedemu asum na ada. Ofra akura pemfa wa jimi too much. Huh? All Ghanaians, the youth needs is work. We need work to do. And so onipa beda no kromfo na de se oni adwuma yo otewa wadane da bia no sifa konsini awsie. Nipa nso tifa kwa na tewa de so. To obi ambeso be yakwadwero. Ghana youth they are not lazy o. Tira madane akromfo they are not lazy. Tira man nso oba ni ahode ntse be ma. Tira man nso mo twa na omdididi. Ne twa no ana okọ buruma na anya kakra de edidi. Oya abonwa na no obontu nso a onya bi de atopampes ama ne ba no. If we say we are building a nation or we are building a country, we have to do better. So what am I saying? We have to do better. Uti nyansa na make a chiro no. Making sure say you to know oh my obi ani ntutu nka nsem. Wonna ne Akufo-Addo no. Cause Akufo-Addo the levy aba. Ena audit by 10,000 so account. Akufo-Addo kwado de kwa IMF.
Then kasa nto aso say His Excellency you better by them any even after election no. It's one year so for enya conferences be. It you know say because of Mahama in association with these pastors no. I'm also for him be out for bring ho area nkoko. Ye nyina nim say His Excellency the Vice President General Nupukwa na yare no. Asofo ni yehye nkom bebrebe say we bewu na General no bewu ana you say ntomatu kata Flagstaff House ho ana hu say we ya say Ghana men Penyah next man bewu je say omu yehye nkom bi efo omu hodi ama yentimi nyomo hwe dan pare apensa ojechi omu but Christian yohu no apenso asofo na fo mu hodi enum bi wuo nkom hye enenam gin na no Nupukwa ho yo no ntirem say Mahama asofo sem na ode no ho abata wo mu no de asofo sem na ebo Ghana fom to won twe no ho na asofo yo mu no on teach you great lesson
to Mahama wayi sani amanyi Mahama nso ye ba ye ko ba ye so abobosia wo ayi asofofo na ado ho bom wagimi wahu e ma mente se wayi hu afiri asofofo anim ani asofo kwase bia na ntibiem omnyina akromfo nko ana be bibia mo abrabo ha baby ya wanyina duri ade a woso ya manipa na onya di papa nte bia adwuma ma boys no make our health care be genuine and authentic. So what am I saying? They make sure say we have better hospital care, better good roads. And then I'm relax because what I hear now is so heat and I'm chill like of course. That is what it is, man. Then BMW more me chilling. What for Fabas or back Kruma 10 years in here, 20 years in here. Oh, Papa, no, my back Kruma 20 years in here. Fabas or Chasey train. It to Jana no dimly canon hope. Me, the pen I mean, you will be a see. Madame BMW, more about 20 years. My back 2 years, cramming share the yan, Papa. If you can film in 2 years. And so may day may chilly with that. We are seeing Yansakaku. Madame Bimo, but Obi a Ghana and your only capital. Na me se mo Ghana sakre kwana me sika na me ato sakre wo ti Mahama wa ba no ma ni Penyah ni da so wo so because I was here hu sentafo no so adwene wo mutirim nya santini nkwan ni nyansa tani nsu ni nyansa tani nsu adwene da utirim tani wo nya aboa tani wo ye nipa de sane a akani akamfo ye nipa no Into any a real quick one, made in good and perfect time in the others one. 10 years, Kenya, 10 years, Kenya, Mama. Until Wakuran, and I getting your Juma, Kevin as a one. Forget about him. Very stupid guy. Forget about him. Listen to yourself. If you are a leader or a president, you have a vision, you have something. That's why you call the president. Yes, sir. It will be so keke. Can I could be a bit my president? I beg you, Mama. Make sure I saw your day. Oh, ma, inipa huwa baano, nipa ayoke. My mentor can any china because make sure I say, oh, my good rules because ubi a human many panwa many good rules are accident to be the pass. Make a system. Ghana, we don't have a system. Make a system and make the system work. Today is straight up why and kasa. Nso bi a wokuruma nyina na da me ka chemani akroje ngalam sisi mi ene nso no kura tokura me ni ami sabro ni kasa straight up yo BMW ya odia sene da me kana odia no aba be den aba be je frame ami show bi aso aba so be tie kura we ni ro quick one good and perfect time at me why the punishment be bring later why I mean ko bi aso aba so be tie kura and kasa straight up yo, I'm going to be we need a real quick one. I mean, maybe chocolate to be, maybe chocolate to be, man. Maybe chocolate to be, I mean, chill, child. Any answer. Yo, think good and perfect time, no. May the hardest one, but I'm going to be on some of it here, okay? That's it, straight up. Bye bye. I'm going to be the hardest one, but bye bye. Yo. Ja, me de ya kan say. Ma tu panko abro kira kura se baby no. I share the punishment abro later. We need just by the way me number be kura ja. I share the punishment abro later. Can say straight up. Me number be $6 no am say o. Mama nya dai. Mama ni mu really kakra yo. Ya chili o. Ya chili o. And can say straight up, me Miami Bimo, BMW, Bimo, and what do you know about it? I was a card into a mua, me chili out, huh? But two gang a crown, and you can't say, yay, you can't say, Miss Mamma had us one women real quick one, family, my baby packing a minimum monko. I'm baby pack and I'm in a monk or really a real quick one. Really a real quick one. Yo, yes, Mahama try you. Yes, Mahama try why bottle to you can't say why bottle shit, you levy. Mahama, why are dear? Me baby pack and the Maruli. Mahama, why are dear? Huh? Mahama, why are dear? A cook for other yardian or by what you? Huh? Why are dear Pa Mahama? I mean, she out too much. I could father Yariano. So, Oba, I watch him. Huh? I could father Yari and Yasuma Hama by watch him. I mean, she Mahama too much. Mahama, Jimmy, who may feel about Akurana or America now, money Jimmy. On your MDs for a problem. Makurano can MDs for a problem. So much I say. Apart from Akurano, Candice, you are good. You are good to go. Apart from Akurano, Candice, you are good to go. Apart from Akurano, Candice, you are good to go. I mean, no matter, you know. Apart from Akurano, Candice, you are good to go. I didn't Jimmy Sanwa. Yo, may drive you on a TikTok for a block my life because I'm gonna say, meet me drive it. Now, me so life to see you, minimum Samuya. I'm gonna meet me drive Abraham say video. On my life, and everything that I make catch your mom is you. Oh, boy, carrying to Cassian. It can't win to me. May I me say video TikTok for a moon, Sam, I can't just on my broke life. Indeed, some year them because there's Canada, of course. I will say, I'm no America. My card yourself. TikTok for no. Omusa no me block live. Timu anu ma jimina o. Na obo aka ni ntumu nya jimi no wura mu. Why? And of course, my baby are packing, of course, it is what it is. To John Mahama, that's why I dear pa because you can't say why are you what else? What about to Eeeii? But Eeeii now what chamuno Mahama? Eeeii now what chamuno? And that's why you my cousin has a natural. So try Eeeii my kufu and one day have a 2 years so sabon. And to be a mama boy in your binyo. Anything. Any here. He'll have some joke, of course. Me chilling me Oreo. Hey, fresh you got to that. Me chill you. To your mama. Tinyans na make a chron. So what to make chata Nkwasi niyama we mu a make sure say obedi make sure say ubebi adwuma my boys no because why ade make so nya ade ja jimi no car no a BMW stop making noise why jimi ana make so nya ade ana me boa because what you have done better so what man say because kufu ado ade no on the how ante say abetu ni paso. So I just say, "You go for a day na Kagana for Kaya. To what ban way to make Eeeii a free as well. What next? Make sure some boys will be a benya, you may not chronosunte. They make sure to say, oh, my good hospitals, good roads, good health care. Make sure that Ghana the system is in places. My system, Ninya Juma. My system, Ninya Juma. Of course, we need a real quick video, we need your life. In good and perfect time, could you have been my machine had this one problem? My system, in your Juma, in Penquasiasem, because you're to Obama as a president. As a president, you know, you have to do what you gotta do. You understand me? You gotta do what you gotta do. John Mahama, eh? Yeah, dear, make sure, say, oh, yeah, dear, who be a mama boys. We love you free now you bet 10 times free. Oh, boy, mama, chacha na kosumo, bet na kosumo, and only boys and you'll be Irish, you'll be a chabet. But 11 hours you free mobile money, very good. But making sure, sir, oh, yeah, dear, one no Mahama no. Oh, my boys in any my one could I can mind the Tino, Kevin and someone, or no, I mind this for mobile no. Or no, I man bid the woman Hamatem. So I just saying, so yeah, the papa and some boa basso, my boa basso. Because Papa ba ya je boneba nso a je something in kwana kuma sene bibi koye ho ne ba ya pobi abana ba so ho ya ba something na ba so ba ne ma sa ne ya ko ba ya koyi a something na mzi wa ko di bomusuo asia kwa you see akufu adu see kuma se airport obi kuma se airport ne asantini ne ya de ma no ada na asantini atena se makuma se asai enso ye bone so bo amopese ye de so bo na boni tiri so moa we dey we ni aro kwakwa nguna perfect time ko do abi ma me sha da hade so na blem why got it straight up even go be answer about so big team me chele cha BMW BMW I'm sabring. The Ghana do Americans were dead. America be a dead. I mean, so be other about that. To good and perfect time, I had a son of them. I mean, sure we be me chilly, relax you. Me can't relax you. Let me relax. Let me relax in my car. Let me relax in my car. Relax it, me relax it, me relax it, me relax it, me relax it. Yeah. I mean, so be as I'm as I crack because it's straight up. Chat. My brain I'm the same time. One my cherry, no matter what chat will be any answer. Yo, Obian can't chat Mahama said news some woman on. Good and perfect time in and baby, good and perfect time. Had this one problem. Why? I mean, could be answered about something to the can say straight up. I mean, she'll be here. Can say straight up. Bye. My brain, Mrs. Says, can to me make a good and perfect time. Could you have me, Mamma Chan? That's why I'm why. straight up and kasa bye.
On teaching you a very great lesson. When is more young don, Trinidad's apprentice, young don Abeka, Edia His Excellency John Mahama. What is your view and what is your take on that? Chere wa mama e comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.